In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drills on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEKO Mini Electric Drill. The DEKO DKRT170Y1 is a powerful and versatile mini rotary tool designed for various home DIY projects, including carving, cutting, sanding, grinding, polishing, and engraving. Weighing 1.84 kilograms and equipped with a robust 170W motor, it offers an impressive no-load speed of up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, along with a 1.8-meter flexible shaft that enhances precision and control. The tool features 6-speed adjustments for tailored performance, making it suitable for tasks ranging from metal cutting to jewelry polishing. Included in the package is a comprehensive 127-piece accessory kit, which provides essential tools for diverse crafting needs. The ergonomic design, featuring a soft rubber body and assist handle, ensures comfort during prolonged use, while ventilation holes help maintain optimal performance by dissipating heat. With compatibility for multiple collet sizes and a 3-jaw universal chuck for easy accessory changes, this rotary tool is ideal for both beginners and seasoned crafters. Packaged in an attractive storage box, it makes for a thoughtful gift for anyone interested in DIY projects or crafting. Number 2. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill. The ARROWMAX SDS Ultra Mini Electric Drill Pen is a portable and lightweight tool designed for convenient on-the-go crafting. With its compact size, this cordless mini drill is perfect for home DIY projects and can be easily used in various settings, from workshops to outdoor environments. It features adjustable RPM capabilities of up to 900 revolutions per minute, allowing users to customize the drilling speed for different materials, ensuring precision and efficiency. The drill comes with a versatile set of 10 titanium-coated steel bits, ranging from 0.6 millimeters to 2.2 millimeters, suitable for working with wood, aluminum, plastic, and circuit boards. Additionally, the magnetic CNC alloy storage box keeps bits organized and facilitates quick, tool-free bit replacements. Powered by a long-lasting 500 mAh lithium polymer battery, the SDS Ultra offers extended usage on a single charge, with a USB-C port for fast and convenient recharging, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 3. ANEERPOWER Mini Drill. The ANEERPOWER Mini Drill, model number 518, is a compact and powerful tool designed for home DIY projects, weighing just 0.65 kilograms. With a rated input power of 230W and a no-load speed of up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, this versatile drill can handle a maximum drilling diameter of 0.6 to 6.5 millimeters. It features variable speed control ranging from 5,000 to 31,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to adjust the speed according to their specific tasks, whether it be drilling, carving, polishing, or grinding various materials like wood, metal, ceramic, and plastic. The drill is equipped with a brushed motor and operates on AC power with a rated voltage of 220V. It comes with an extensive accessory kit, including carving needles, saw blades, and a flexible shaft, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as jewelry making and wood crafting. Additionally, the drill is CE certified and customizable, ensuring quality and versatility for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 4. HOTO 35-in-1 Mini Electric Drill. The HOTO Mini Drill, model number QWLDM001, is a lightweight and efficient tool designed for home DIY projects, weighing just 250G. It features a powerful built-in motor with a torque of 0.9 N.M and operates on a rechargeable 2,000 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 50 minutes of continuous use. With a variable speed range of 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute and 5 speed settings, users can easily adjust the speed for various tasks. The drill comes with a comprehensive 35-in-1 accessory set, allowing for a wide range of functions such as carving, sanding, grinding, cutting, and polishing. Its user-friendly design includes a charging base for convenient storage and charging, an LED ring light for enhanced visibility, and a snap-on dust cover for safety. CE certified and originating from mainland China, the HOTO mini drill is perfect for creative enthusiasts looking to tackle diverse projects with precision and ease. Number 5. JANKLIFE Electric Drill. The JANKLIFE mini drill is a lightweight and versatile tool tailored for DIY enthusiasts, weighing 330 g and powered by a 4.8 VDC source. This drill operates through USB plug-in, requiring no batteries or recharging, making it convenient for use with power banks. It offers 3 adjustable speed settings, 5,000, 10,000, and 15,000 revolutions per minute, controlled by a single button, allowing users to easily adapt to various tasks. With a maximum drilling diameter of 3.2 millimeters, the drill includes 5 collet sizes: 0.8 millimeters, 1 millimeter, 1.6 millimeters, 2.3 millimeters, and 3.2 millimeters for compatibility with different accessories, ensuring quick and hassle-free changes. CE certified and originating from mainland China, the JANKLIFE mini drill is ideal for a wide range of applications, including grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, and drilling, making it a reliable addition to any home DIY toolkit.